Envision a silently spinning world, locked within the confines of text and direct conversations, until the early 20th century ignites a revolution, the birth of the first radio broadcast. This breakthrough slices through the quiet, connecting global voices and marks the beginning of a revolutionary communication era. UNESCO proclaimed World Radio Day in 2011, recognizing radio's power to unite, enlighten, and celebrate the diversity that knits our world together. From its humble beginnings to the digital clarity of today, radio stands as a testament to unity and diversity, touching lives and bridging communities. We embark on this journey by exploring UNESCO's vision and the role of radio as a cornerstone of our collective experience, shaping both our past and our future. Throughout history, radio has stood as a beacon of unity and a bridge over cultural divides. From the solidarity of soldiers in World War trenches to the vibrant diversity of our modern cities, radio has been a constant companion, echoing through both crises and celebrations. It transcends borders and languages, drawing people from different backgrounds into a unified experience. This chapter delves into radio's role in fostering global unity, featuring stories from broadcasters who've seen firsthand how radio weaves diverse cultural threads into a cohesive narrative. As we explore radio's adaptation in the digital era, we witness its sustained commitment to connect hearts and minds, ensuring its legacy endures. Navigating through the digital revolution, radio has not only survived but thrived, seamlessly integrating with each technological advance. Despite the noise of the digital age, radio's essence, its ability to inform, connect, and entertain, remains clear. Embracing digital platforms, radio now reaches beyond traditional boundaries, proving its resilience and continued relevance. As we anticipate the future, radio's enduring adaptability promises new avenues of unity and connectivity, bridging digital divides and cultural differences. This narrative closes with a look forward, eager for the innovative ways radio will continue to unite us, echoing into tomorrow.